All right, well, let's consider how you guys are playing it right now then. And Rudy, you pointed this, and this is, instead of our stock of the day, this is what we're going to do today, just as far as what you're looking at buying, or perhaps not.
Yeah.
And you are definitely in cash at the moment.
Yes, cash, and I also think people should consider adding some gold if they don't have it yet as an insurance policy to your portfolio.
Physical gold, or actually,
yes, no,
so you're not interested in the miners?
No, don't do the miner because the market tanks, the miners will tank.
Yep.
Yeah? So you have to have gold outside, non-correlated,
right.
Opposite share price. But the bond market has to cooperate with that.
Mm-hmm.
If we do get a recession, the bond market will cooperate. System will sort of break down. Gold will rally.
Yep.
But maybe we all hope that the gold will not perform, because that means the equities will perform, and that's your insurance policy. But see, I think the decisions you make now are related to the fact of how much cash you have. You don't have to be 100% in cash in this market. As I said, it's not a full-on straight process, and we don't know the exact outcome. But I think the main consideration here is you have cash. If that's 20%, 40%, 60%, I don't know how much, enough to make you sleep at night, and enough not to constantly look at your portfolio and go like, oh, I lost again X amount of thousands of dollars, and then sell at the bottom. But that's what I'm saying. You find a balance between the various scenarios. But what you do in my view is you don't try to be a hero unless you're very skilled at trading the momentum. Yeah?
So just quickly, what's your level of cash then?
Mine is between 25 and 30 now.
Okay, all right.
And to be honest, in the past week, I thought like,
maybe should have taken more.
Sure would have liked to have more.
Yeah, fair enough. All right, so Adam, I know you got a bit of a different take on this, but at the same time, you need cash because you are looking for some buying opportunities.
Correct.
Yeah.
So I've got a little bit of a shopping list that I've put that I've got that we run metrics over the market. One of the metrics that we've run is trying to find some value stocks. So staying away from the tech, staying away from that. But trying to find some value stocks that have a PE of under 10, have a dividend yield of sort of 5%, 4 to 5%, and then have a PEG, which is a PE growth ratio of sort of under 1. Anything above 1 is negative, anything under 1 is good. So we run these scans to try and find some of these companies that potentially are a little bit unloved, potentially that are going to pay some good dividends, and weather the storm a little bit. So that's my view, sort of not staying fully invested, but at least having a shopping list ready to go so that we can do some of those.
All right, let's put that shopping list up there then.
Oh yeah, great.
Yep.
Excellent. Okay, well, Elders, agricultural, South 32, obviously resource side of things. Goodman Group got beaten up the other day. James Hardy went for an upgrade the other day, and I really like that. Tabcorp I like for the split. They're going to do that lottery split in about a week and a half time, so I think that's something that's really good. So there's a bigger list. If anybody wants it, I can send. Oh, there we go. We've got more.
Yeah, it goes on.
Excellent. Wally's defensive. Money Me is probably a little bit of a tongue-in-cheek one there, but it's a wrong cycle, and we're going to talk about Plenty Group in a sec. Soul Patts is a very, very good business that hasn't had a dividend gone backwards in their 50 years of being listed or whatnot. And Lend-Lease, I'm just trying to pick the bottom somewhere there as well.
Right. So you're not necessarily buying all those right now, but you're looking for some.
Yeah. It's a shopping list, and
you're watching them.
Yeah, and there's some really good. I mean, Aristocrat is another one that should be in there, but that's really high growth. That got upgraded the other day.
Yeah.
You know, there is a list that I've got, and I'm picking those off for people who want some good buy opportunities.